Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to discuss about time intelligence functions of Power BI. Using DAX, we can go for time intelligence function which help us to manipulate data using time periods. It includes dates, month, quarters and years. We are going to discuss 9 important functions today and we will see how we can use those functions. So let us check which functions we are going to use. We are going to use current month to date, current quarter to date, current year to date, then previous month to date, previous quarter to date, previous year to date, and after that same period last year month to date, same period last year quarter to date, and same period last year year to date. Now why we are going to use it, what is the importance of these functions, we will try to understand. So let us check the data now. Here, in order to understand these functions, I kept the data very simple. I took just 2 fields so that I will be able to make you understand usage of these 9 functions. In the first column, I have kept order date, and in the next column, I have put profits. These data are starting from year 2014 and goes till 2017. Now let us understand by creating summary of this data that what things are here. For your reference, this file is available on the resources section which you can download and you can practice it with me. So let us understand by creating summary of this data that what is there. In order to create summary, what I am going to do, I will create a pivot table from this. To create pivot table, don't click outside, click anywhere inside this data. Then click on insert and click on pivot table. Go for a new worksheet and ensure that the data has got selected. So we have got 9994 record, so ensure that it goes till 9995. So the range of the table is starting from $A $1 till $B $995. So ensure that it is selecting this entire area. Then we are going to create our pivot table report on a new worksheet. If you want to go for existing, we can click on this, but right now I want this report to be created on a new worksheet. So click on new worksheet and click on OK. It will take us to a new page. Now I want order date to come in the rows and profits to come in the values. And we are able to see that we have got data for 4 different years, for 2014, 2015, 2016 and 17. When you click on plus, it will expand data to the quarter level. Again, when you click on the quarter, it will take us to the month level. So now let us go back to this new data, and this data we are going to use for creating our DAX. So save this file. Now I am going to load my data. For this, click on import data from Excel. Select the data, click on open. My data is present in profit data. Click on this. It has got these 2 columns. Load it. Data has been loaded. So before working on MTD, QTD and other functions, I am going to do one calculation which we are going to use throughout in all these formula. So add one measure. Right click on the name of the table, click on new measure. I'm going to use total profit in all these 9 formula. So first I'm going to make a measure which has got name total profit. Total profit is equal to sum of profit data, that is name of the table, and profit, and close the bracket, accept it. So this will add the profit. It will going to give us aggregation of the profit. So my first measure has been created. So the first function we are going to use here is month to date MTD. So let us create another measure. Right click, click on new measure. So the name of this function I am going to give current month to date MTD equal to total month to date. This function we are going to use, and inside this we are going to pass our this function or this measure which we just created, that is total profit, comma dates of month to date, and in this we will pass date. So profit data order date, and close the bracket, accept it. So my first function has been created, that is current month to date. This has been created over here. Now we will take one card and put this value into this card. It will show us current month to date, which is coming as 8.48k. Fine. Now how this value is coming, what is this value? Let us understand. So we got the summary which I have shown to you. For different years we have got data. So current month to date will be what? The current year, that is 2017, and it is going to be the last month total. So last month we have got December. So current month to date value is 8483.34. If we add all values for the last month, it is going to be 8483.34. Let us check what we have got here. It is 8.48. It is 8.48. So month to date, what it does, it gives us total of the current year for that last month. So month to date is total of the last month of the current year. So this we got current month to date. Next we are going to do quarter to date. So let us again add one measure. So I am adding new measure, and name of this measure we are going to give current quarter to date equal to, again we are going to use function called total. Now this time quarter to date, we are using what? Current quarter to date. So we will be using function quarter to date. And what we want to add? We want to add total profit, which we already got it here, comma dates of QTD. So we are going to use dates of quarter. So it evaluates a specific expression over the interval which begins on the first day of the quarter and ends with the last date in the specific date column after applying specified filters. So date quarter to date, this, and after that we have to pass the name of the table, that is profit data and order date. Close it and accept it. So we have created another measure called QTD, and we are also going to use it in another card. So just copy this card, paste it, and in this we are going to pull current quarter to date. We are getting 27.45k. So this quarter to date is total value, total profit. Right now we are measuring profit. So total profit for the current year and last quarter. Let us go back to the data and check it. So last current year is what? 2017 in this data, and last quarter is quarter 4, 27448. 27448 point. So this is the data which we are going to see over here. So that is what? Current quarter to date. Next we will be using the third one, which is year to date. Let us create one more measure. This is current year to date equal to. Now what function we have to use? We will use total YTD, right? So total year to date. Within bracket we have to give what we want to add. We want to add total profit. Give total profit, comma, dates of YTD, because now what we are using? Year to date. So for this we are going to take function dates year to date, and then again we are passing this order date to it. So it is coming from the table called profit data and order date. Close it, accept it. Fine. So what is this current year to date? This is going to give us total profit which we got in the current year. So let us put current year in this third card. So 93.44k of profit we got in the current year. Let us check to our data. So 2017, how much we are getting? 93439.26. 93439. So it has got rounded and we are getting this. So three functions: current month to date, current quarter to date, and current year to date we have got. Explanation of these things I have put in my another file. You can see it here. Current month to date is the total profit of last month of the current year. Current quarter to date is total profit of last quarter of the current year, and current YTD is total profit of the last year. That means out of total years given, so whatever is the latest year, for that whatever profit we got. So out of this is the last year 17. So for that we are taking the total profit. Yeah. Now we are going to go through another three methods, that is known as previous month to date, previous quarter to date, and previous year to date. What it does? So whatever is current month, previous to that month, what was the total profit? For the current quarter, whatever we are getting, previous quarter, what was the profit? And right now we are talking about year 2017. So 2016, what was the profit? So these three things we are going to see next. So let us again go for building another measure, new measure, and name to this we are going to give previous month to date. For this we will write function called calculate, and we will pass total profit to it, comma, we are going to take previous month. So take previous month, and in this we are going to pass dates MTD, and in this we are going to pass the date function, that is profit data order date. So this will give us previous month what was my total profit, accept it. Copy the current card, we can insert a new card also, and yeah, so here I am going to put previous month to date. So from this last month we have seen for 2017 December 8.48 sales was there, but before December what was sales? Let us go back to our data and check it. It is 9.69k. So 2017 December our sales was 8433, but before that 9690 and 8483. So December month this was my profit, whereas in the November, just before December November is there. So October, November, December. So November month we have got this much total profit, which we are able to find it out here. Now we are going for previous quarter to date. Fine, previous quarter to date. So let us again make another measure. Right click, new measure, and we are going to give it name as previous quarter to date. Previous quarter to date equal to, we will use function calculate, and we will pass total profit, comma, now it is previous quarter. So we will take previous quarter because we are talking about quarter. We will take previous quarter function, and in this we are going to pass the function, the date value to it. So it is profit data and order date. So previous quarter equal to calculate total profit, previous quarter, and from profit data order date, accept it. So we will take the new card, and we are going to put now previous quarter to date. Let us check, have we missed anything? It is coming as blank. Calculate total profit, previous quarter. Yeah, we have missed one thing here. Dates quarter, this we had missed, dates quarter, and then pass profit data order date, close the bracket, and this one is correct now. So now let us see it. And in the previous quarter for 2017 the total profitability was 26.99k. Let us check it. So quarter 4 we have got this much 27,448, whereas in quarter 3 it is 26,985. 26,985. Fine. So when we round this, we will get this value. So previous quarter to date we have got. Next we are going to use previous year to date, YTD. Fine. So this we are going to use what? Previous year to date. Let us again create a new measure. Right click, new measure. This one is previous YTD, year to date, equal to calculate function we will use first. In calculate we are going to pass total profit, comma, it is previous year. So we are going to use previous year, and then dates should come from year to date. So from year to date we are taking 1 year back, that is what previous year will do, and in this we will pass our date value, and it is going to give us profitability last year. So 2017 we have got whatever profit, it will go 1 year back to that and give us the data. So previous year to date, in 2016 whatever profit we have got, that we are going to find it out. Let us go back to our Excel data and check. In 2017 9349, whereas 16 81795. 81795, 79 rounded will become 80. So this is the previous year to date function, giving whatever current year is there, go back 1 year, and whatever profit we have got, that it is going to give. We are also interested in knowing, like, this current month to date is giving the last month for the current year, right? For 2017, in the December month, what was my total profit? That's what it has given. So 2017 December month. Now we might be interested in knowing same period last year, what was the profit? Fine. Same period last year, what was the profit? That's what we would like to know. So how to do that? Let us check it. Again, we are going to add one more measure. So click on new measure. Yeah. So click on new measure, and this name I am going to give same period last year, month to date, equal to. Okay. Now first we will use calculate function. In the calculate function we will pass this current month to date, whatever this measure has given us function value, that we will pass. So current month to date, comma, we are going to take previous month from this. So previous month, and dates of MTD, because we are working on month to date, we are working on date. So dates of MTD, and from profit data order date we have to pull, and this is the function. Calculate current month to date. From dates month to date, take previous month, go 1 month back, and the date is coming from profit data of order date, and accept it. So our same period last month to date function is ready. Take the card and put same period month to date into this. So we are getting 9.69k. Whether this is giving us correct answer or not, let us go and check in Excel. December for 2017, 8483, that is last year. Now 2016 December 17885, same period last year. Okay, so 16 December 17885 month to date. Yeah, let me check this function once again. Same period month to year. Calculate current month to date, and here, yeah, I just made a mistake. Let me make the function correct. We have to use same period last year, and then we have to pass the date function to it, right? So same period last year. Yeah, now this is right. Calculate current month to date, same period last year, and then date, and accept it. Now it will be coming correct. 17.89, and let us check it. In 2016 December 17885. Yeah, so this is like in the December month in 17, what was the profit, and now what is the profit. So we can see that almost it is double. Same period, it is almost going to be double in this year. Fine. Now we are going to do same period last year quarter to date. So again, right click, new measure. So it is same period last year quarter to date. This is the measure we are going to create. Equal to, we are going to use function called calculate, and this time it is current quarter to date. This we are going to use, comma, same period of last year, and then we are going to use profit data from that order date, close it. So calculate from current quarter to date and same period last year profit data order date, and accept it. Now same period quarter to date. Let us check it. This is 3814. Quarter 4 was 27448 for 2017, and 2016 how much? 38139. So we can see that in 2016 our sales was high in quarter 4, whereas now the profit. Yeah, profit was higher in Q4 previous year, and this year profit is reduced. Here it is increased, but here it is reduced. Now take previous year from this. So right click, new measure, and same period last year, year to date is equal to, we are going to put calculate, and this time current, what? It is year to date, so we will give year to date. And same period last year, and profit data and date function, date field. Fine. So this will give us in same period year to date what was the profit. Take one card again and put it here. Arrange everything properly. Yeah. Put here same period year to date. Have I made again something wrong? This previous year to date and same period year to date 8180. So 2017 9434, whereas 81795. Yeah, this is same. So this is how we will be able to create the data for current MTD, previous MTD, and same period MTD, QTD and YTD. Just let us check this formula once again. Same period year to date and current YTD, same period. Yeah. So we have learned these 9 functions which are very much important whenever you are working with different types of data and you want to understand what is happening in your data. You will be able to use it. How to format it, that we are going to learn very soon in the coming week. I'll show you just one how to get this done. Click on any of the card, go to format your visuals, general. In the effect we can give different colors. Fine. So like this we can use different formatting. You can try to give different colors to your visuals. Fine. So we are going to discuss these things in the coming session. You can try different formatting from here, and using themes from the view menu you can further change the colors of these visuals. Hope you have understood these functions. Explanation of all these things I kept over here. You can see what these functions are about. Fine. Previous and same period last year, both are same because both are referring to 2016. Fine. So here all the details are there. You can pause the video and you can read about all these things. Hope you have understood this function. It is very important and you can use it in multiple contexts. So we are going to learn a lot of new things in the coming week.